Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to change Apple Music payment method. First of all, open Apple Music app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, you will be redirected to the home page where all of your available songs and albums will be present. Now, tap on your profile icon at top right corner and a menu will open up. Inside this menu, access the Account Settings tab from the bottom of the list and all of your account settings will be displayed. Here, tap on the Manage Payments feature at the top and all of your available payment methods will appear. Now, if you tap on the Edit Embed at top right corner, you will be able to remove any existing payment methods if you want. In order to add a new one, tap on the Add Payment Method tab and then enter all of the required information. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.